Hello all, welcome back to my channel. This is Latu here. Today I'm gonna show you this perfect wing eyeliner for beginners. You heard it right, it's for beginners and for semi-hooded eyes like me. And if you guys like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon right below. And if you are wearing any eyeliners like so, you have to wear a dark lip which completes your face and makeup, and any simple ponytail is okay. And let's get started. Enough of me blabbering. Hi guys, as you can see my base was all done, and let's move into the eyes. And for that I am using a liquid eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner, any brand, and if you're okay with liquid you can go for it, or gel, it's up to you guys. Now I'm showing with a liquid one, and let's get started. You have to start by applying your eyeliner from the middle, I mean the top, middle part of your eyelash. I think so. Eyelash. I mean what an lash line, and that like so. And do not go for a thick line. But while starting, please concentrate and try to add a thin line as possible, and then work on to the inner part of your bottle lash line, like so. And this will be based on your I mean practice, guys. Don't worry, in the first attempt you can make it. Go on, practice daily and you will make it for sure. And as you can see my eyes were half hooded, I think so. And if you are like me, this trick will be working out. I'm gonna tell you a trick with which you can achieve the perfect wing eyeliner. And after done with your inner part, then move to the outer part, like so. The thickness should be light because you should not crease your eyeliner while doing your wing eyeliner. And the general issue with wing eyeliner is, while you are doing, you have to thicken the lining part on your lid, which creases for like our hooded eyes. And make sure you are not giving any gaps in the lining area before with the lash lines and your lashes. Don't give any gaps, and that can be seen through. And after that you are making this wing from your lower lash line, and see that crease part. You are opening your eyes and applying, so see that crease line, your natural crease line, and be aware with that. Now drag this wing area part like so. Please work in small strokes and do not dip your the brush into the bottle, because here you have to line slightly to make sure it is perfect. Then you can fill it and dip your brush again, you can fill it. So don't take much, let it dry and continue with that brush. It's my trick, guys. Do follow it, and this will be help you. Well, if you went wrong, you can remove it easily. And after, you are joining the upper part to the wing, and here make sure that you are getting a straight line like so. Not when you're opening it, when you're closing it semily, if you know what I mean. And just don't dip your brush still, let it work. And you can see, if you're happy with the thickness and the length, let's move on for filling the that area. And this is how it looks. While filling, you can drag your length and you can increase it, and you can just fill it if you're happy. And while doing this, you should have a sharp thing. You should do it as this is a last step. You should sharp it out, if you know what I mean. The perfect sharp wing look should be achieved like so. If you are doing it with a blunt brush or something of thick sort, the cone thing will not be achieved. And please do follow. Sorry for my explanation, it went a little bit tilted. and I hope you can understand, guys. And this is the different for the other eye. I have already lined. For the wing, I'm gonna show you once more. You have to start your wing by from your lower line, like so. This is your guideline, and you can see here, you can just basing on the other eye, because they both should look some sort of alike. And while adding the upper portion to that, please keep in mind that your crease line, that shouldn't be touched. Okay, if your eyeliner is going into that, then you will crease for no reason, so please avoid that and go below from it, and then join. And after that, you can fill that like so. And while filling, please be concentrated. You have to create a sharp edge. This is what I wanna see. And this is the look achieved. After that, you can see much. I mean, you can compare both the eyes and try to make them look alike. And this is so easy, guys. For beginners, I hope this works, and please practice for more perfect look to achieve. And after that, I am just prepping by curling my eyelashes and adding some mascara. And this, I'm not doing anything to my lower lashes at this point, but I will add a mascara with a horizontally. As you can see, I don't use my brush vertically, I just use horizontally. This gives a little volume to your lower lash line as well, and there's no need to use any eyeshadow, and it won't look blank also. And here is my complete look, guys. This is from long, I mean, this is a long pose, and you can see how does it turned out. Thank you for watching. Love you all as always. And as you can see, this is a perfect wing liner, and this can be worn every day to office and to any parties. This is a easy look, and if you want to go to a parties, you can add a little glitter in your inner corners. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is perfect for beginners, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Bye bye.